hello. What is that? This one. Let me open a space here. This one is plastic. A lot of plastic. Hello guys, how are you? Another video. All this stuffing with the water is because today I want to show you what you can do with this bottle, because I use it a lot. I have now here 8 bottles of this one. Okay, it's almost 2 weeks or something like that. I always buy the most biggest. This one is the most bigger that we find here. 10 liter. We spend almost every 2 days. Want to use a lot of plastic. I mean, it's incredible that in this country no exists. And this and so many no exist nothing. Don't use a lot of plastic. But for example, in Ukraine, Thailand, Philippines, have like a filters in the street, and you can buy only one and refill it every time that you want. And in this filter you put a coin or whatever and refill it, and the water is good. It's almost the same, and you don't use a lot of plastic. In this country, no. In this country, some people in Georgia, they place their ID now. The people say the water is really good and blah blah blah. We use it in the beginning and we get that diarrhea, and was for the water because we try to time and the time giving us diarrhea, and for that we stopped to do that and I try to buy water again because the water not so expensive here. It's around, this big bottle is around $1.20 or $1 depending. For that we try still use it. I don't plan to drink water in every country that I travel like this, but I cook always with that water. In this country I did the same. I cook with that water and giving a diarrhea. Now even for cook we need to use that one. For that reason we have more butter than normal. And I want to show you how to try to make another function of this thing, because it's a lot of plastic. What you can do with a bottle like this. Okay, go there. Well, I want to show you to the knife. This knife, fisherman knife. I buy so cheap, like around $2 or something, $3 for the all good knife, because you can see he has one cover and he has one small clip and can I carry my papa really good. I buy this knife because it's long enough and have a good handle, because before I travel with one knife, this one the and this knife sometimes it's so hard to use every day, and this one is so comfy and so good. I expect broken easily, but no, I still we have almost 1 year now, and it's good. It's still sharpy. It's a fish knife. I recommend it. Okay, I buy it in Walmart. Here you can find easily this plastic bag, and the bean can bigger is gonna work, and you can use this one. Washing machine, and the washing machine you can see the video for here. I have the how to use it. I think it's only in Spanish. And you can use it as a water. This one is a plate, and you can use it for salad, or cereal, fruit. More storage. More storage. Okay. You can put fruit. This one I use a lot in India when I be in India, because have a lot of hens and fly, and I put the stuff here, the fruit or something. I put it here and close it, and the fruit is still good. And then, well, my last one is again. Is that you can put this one in the bottom and put the plastic bag. Or I will show you something more. There is like is this picture that we put there. There is something that you can try to find this product and don't use a lot of plastic, please. Okay, thank you so much.